HJ807 remote control fishing bait boat just works so well on sailing, catching fishing, trawling and chasing with other boats. Awesome cool body design, bright night lights, waterproof ring, storage area, grass preventing cover, power indicator, and feeding area, which makes it so special. Before playing, open the rubber cover and charge the boat until full. For battery charging, simply use the USB cable and connect 2 ports. Then put it back to the battery compartment and close the cover and tighten the screw. Then, make sure the feeding cover needs to be fully closed before adding the bait. HJ807 has come with 2.4G remote control, which features long-distance control without interference. Now, let's get started. First, turn on the remote control. After 2 beeping sounds from the remote control and the body lights always bright, pairing is finished. If multiple boats racing together, frequency needs to be paired one by one. If frequency do not match, turn off the boat first, and then turn off the remote control and restart the boat. Now, press the open button. Feeding cover will be open with beeping sounds, and bait will come out. Press close button and the feeding cover will close slowly until the beeping sounds is disappeared and indicator light changes into always bright. Now it's the trawling function. Hold the net into the boat and it will draw the net when moving. Then you can easily control the boat and release the net. Attach the fishing line into the boat and remote it to the destination and enjoy fishing. This fishing boat has also come with night lights, so it will look beautiful in the dark. Now is the operation of 2.4G remote control. When the boat moves forward or backward, push the trigger harder, it will move faster. When in turning, turn the steering wheel lower. The turning radius of the boat will be shorter. We may adjust the speed trimmer to the center position or from slow to fast to select the needed speed. When the boat capsizes during sailing, it will automatically turn over based on the body's gravity. If it stops working suddenly due to low power and with warning sounds and light, release the trigger first. Then adjust the steering wheel and pull the trigger again. If it is stuck with the grass or other subjects, it will stop working for 15 seconds to protect the motor and plates. While when the remote control is in low power with red light flashing, please replace the batteries ASAP. For 5 minutes non-working of the remote control, it will enter the sleep state. To wake it up, just press any button. Finally is the propeller's replacement. Use the hex wrench and remove it. Then install the new one. This sport boat has its unique backpack, so it's easy to carry. So this is HJ807, your best fishing boat.